Hi everyone, this is Accidental Experts. I'm Tay.
And I'm Dani. And we're at a really cool house right now. As you can see, the door is yellow, which I am obsessed with. And I'm excited to do this tour. So come on with us. Let's see who it is.
Hello.
Hi. And hi everyone at home. I'm Dani Dazey, and I'm about to give these girls and y'all the tour of my house.
Let's do it.
So what I love about this room is like you're hit with yellow, pink, green, kind of all in one. It's like a visual color palette, but it kind of works even though it's like really wild. And these were all recessed lighting, which I hate recessed lighting. So all of these we swapped out for like really cute semi-flush mounts. We repainted all of this. This kitchen was gray.
I love the tower. I love how the backsplash goes onto the actual counter. I'm obsessed with those lights.
Isn't it cute?
I've never seen them. I really, really love them.
And this dining table is like one of my prized possessions. Isn't it dope?
Yeah.
And then my dildo chandelier. Love. I mean, you can't not see it.
Where's this table from?
It's from Industry West, and it's like the coolest table I've been able to find. Tables are hard to find, like ones that are different.
Yeah, because they're all the same.
Yeah.
And it like adds in black tones, which is kind of like I never actually thought you would have black dining chairs, but it works.
I mean, this floor is like the original floor, and it's really dark.
Yeah.
I really like to like find original things in a house and like see how I can work with it.
Yeah.
So there is a lot of like black little elements tying in the floor and making it work. I'm very neurotic about like tying things in and like making sure it looks like fully finished and thought out.
Yeah, making it flow.
Exactly. Okay, you guys have to see.
I'm obsessed! I love this bathroom so much.
Bathroom, when we got the house, it was subway tile and honeycomb tile, which I feel like people look for in a house. And I was like,
you're absolutely not.
I wanted to look vintage. So I love this like shaped tile. It's used a lot in vintage design. And then it's like a nice bathtub I could actually take a bath in, even though it's small.
The pink and white checkers are insane. Like I'm actually fangirling over this pink and white checkers.
And
I love it.
the terrazzo and then pink.
And I try to like, here's the terrazzo again, and like tying in those things to make it make sense. Cause like there's a lot of going on.
There's a lot going on, but it works. Yeah.
So here's our master bedroom. We picked the smallest room in the house because we're like, whatever, we just sleep here. But we went really wild with like the bedspread matching the prints. A lot of my grandmother's artworks in here. Like it's almost like a little art gallery slash bedroom because I really like curated a vibe in here as far as like the similar art pieces.
Yeah.
But
I think the art in here is really unique. I really like
cute.
it. So cute.
This is my collection.
Okay,
I haven't
so
sat on it yet.
Dani just came out with the sofa line with Joybird, and it's like so original. The print is amazing.
My original print. It matches my clothing line. So this is normally a 3-piece couch, but I stole one of the pieces from my house in Palm Springs to get an extra big one there. Isn't it comfortable?
Yeah, it actually really is.
And how fun is the texture of the fabric? With like the chenille and the woven, I'm obsessed.
No, it's actually so beautiful in person. You can't really tell the details like on camera, I feel like.
I'm always trying to like zoom in.
Yeah, like it has texture.
And it feels really vintage. Like I wanted like a floral vintage 70s couch, but with kind of a modern twist.
No, I feel like the pictures don't do it justice, like because of the material.
You hear that? It's even better in person. Go get your Dani Dazey Joybird.
There's another room I didn't know.
Yeah. It's in transition because I got my Joybird couch. Oh! And like I'm gonna make the green match this new color more because I'm like really weird about color. Isn't it cute?
I didn't know this room was in the house.
So this is the primary bedroom. And we just didn't need all these rooms. And so we decided to make it like a little den lounge.
I love it. And oh my god, okay, so this is also your line, but it's like velvet.
Yeah, so this one's all velvet, and this is like kind of the more Art Deco version of the Joybird collab.
This is amazing.
And this was like the first print I designed just for furniture and not like also clothes. Like to me, this was like
just
a furniture, yeah. Because this scalloping is like such a classic motif, and I've got like the scalloping up there. These were recessed lighting. Like that's one of my biggest hacks. Like fuck recessed lighting, switch it for cute stuff. Use a canned lighting converter kit, and you can put in cute lights where recessed lighting is. I plan on like making this print on the wallpaper and kind of fulfilling my dream of having my mono print room.
I think you need a rug collection.
Yeah, Japanese. Get your girl up. And then we have. So what I love about this house is it has so many like indoor-outdoor moments, and like California is all about living indoor-outdoor. We have this cute cutest little yard. We repainted the whole house pink and green.
I
because
love
they're my
the
favorite
green.
colors.
This is an amazing
Little hot
property.
tub. And then this is our office because we rent our house.
There's like so many
It has,
secret
like,
rooms
furniture
here.
in it right now.
But ignore this.
Oh my god, you're just pulling out rooms like.
Isn't it cute? One more. Because where we hang out when we rent our house out for photo shoots, and I got my little art situation in here.
God, I'm obsessed.
I
This is
love
so
the
cool.
property so much.
Danny, thank you so much for having us at your home. It was
course.
lovely. And
If you want to watch a full podcast where we discuss everything with Dani,
Like,
We
it was
spilled
like-
the tea.
we spilled the
Yeah.
tea.
Thank you so much for watching. Let us know what you think in the comments.
If you're enjoying Accidental Experts, click over there to watch more episodes and don't forget to subscribe to follow the journey.